Greetings from Långsjöbadet in Nacka, as you can see on the board here, in the Saltsjö area of Nacka. So yes, this is one of the many lakes in Sweden that are called Långsjö, as I have also one other lake in close to my home, in between Stockholm and Huddinge, that's called Långsjö. But this one is a quite smaller one here in Nacka, and it's fairly close to the Nacka Forum, the shopping center, and is located in the beautiful nature here. It is a small sandy beach, and around the lake it's around 1 kilometer, and I remember this because I did cycle around this lake last year, and it's quite nice road. Off-road that you can do running, walking, anything, and also swimming. So there is my squat that took me all the way here, 13 kilometers from my home, and it's a nice sandy beach that's almost empty today on this 7th of June 2024, and it is time for beach day number 56 on my Sweden beach adventures. We have 17 degrees Celsius in the air today, and it is 22 degrees Celsius in the lake I have already measured. And there is a nice jumping platform inside the lake jetty that I will be swimming to and then jumping from it. So check out the whole lake also before I get ready to go. And I see also the rock over there that I was chilling on last year as well on one day. But yeah, this is the sandy beach, and as it is a bit windy today and Friday, it is not so busy currently. Maybe later today it's gonna be. Okay, then let's get ready to take a swim here at Långsjöbadet in Nacka. The water looks so nice, and the lake is quite small, so it gets warmed up very easy. Let's see if we can walk all the way to the jumping platform, or it's gonna get deeper for that. There is also the beach. So nice. Alright, it looks like we're gonna swim, so let's go! Oh yeah, it's so nice. So nice indeed. The water is amazing, so clean. Can you imagine that there are so many lakes like this in Sweden, and you can swim in most of them? Actually, all of them you can swim, but it's super amazing. And now I can see the full lake from this jetty and the whole nature you can see from here. Nice. Look at that beautiful nature. Alright, then I'm gonna be chilling here a bit and taking a swim, and let's jump once again here at Långsjöbadet in Nacka. This beautiful small lake in the most beautiful nature. So let's jump! Alright, it seems it is very deep right here. I didn't touch the ground, so it's at least 3 meters over here, if not more. But it's so lovely, it's so beautiful. Cool, then thanks so much for watching this episode with me from Långsjöbadet in Nacka and following my swim. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to watch more beach adventures on my channel that is called Beach Adventures with creeks.